Most people spend hundreds of dollars upgrading their printer. New hot end, new motherboard, new firmware, but they completely ignore the one component that directly affects every single print: the nozzle. And here's the surprising part. Simply choosing the right nozzle can dramatically improve print speed, surface quality, strength, and reliability. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about advanced 3D printer nozzles and which ones are actually worth buying. Welcome to our channel, Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printing. Now, let's start. Why nozzles matter more than you think. The nozzle controls line width, flow rate, detail level, layer bonding. A poor nozzle can cause inconsistent extrusion, surface artifacts, reduced accuracy, and frequent clogs. The nozzle is literally the final step before plastic becomes your print. Standard brass nozzles. Most printers ship with brass nozzles. Why? Because brass transfers heat very well, is inexpensive, and produces excellent print quality. For PLA and PETG, brass is often the best value. Downside: brass wears out quickly when printing abrasive materials, such as carbon fiber filament, glow-in-the-dark filament, wood-filled filament. Hardened steel nozzles. When printing abrasive filaments, hardened steel becomes essential. Advantages: extremely durable, long lifespan, resistant to wear. Perfect for carbon fiber, glass fiber, metal-filled materials. Drawback: steel transfers heat less efficiently than brass. This often requires slightly higher temperatures, slightly slower speeds. Ruby and tungsten nozzles. These are premium nozzles designed for maximum durability. You'll often see ruby-tipped nozzles or tungsten carbide nozzles. Advantages: exceptional wear resistance, excellent long-term accuracy, suitable for thousands of printing hours. The problem: price. Some cost more than an entire budget printer hot end. For hobby users, they're usually a luxury upgrade. Nozzle size explained. Most people use 0.4 millimeter nozzles, but that's just the beginning. 0.2 millimeters. Best for miniatures, fine details, display models. 0.4 millimeters. Best all-around choice. Balances quality, speed, reliability. 0.6 millimeters. A favorite among professionals. Benefits: faster prints, stronger parts, better layer bonding, often with very little visible quality loss. 0.8 millimeters and larger, designed for massive prints, functional parts, rapid prototyping. High-flow nozzles. Modern high-speed printers often use high-flow nozzles. These feature larger internal chambers, improved melt paths, and better filament throughput. Benefits: higher flow rates, faster printing, better compatibility with advanced hot ends. Perfect for clipper and high-speed setups. Which nozzle should you buy? Beginner. 0.4 millimeter brass. Simple and reliable. Speed-focused user. 0.6 millimeter high-flow nozzle. One of the best upgrades available. Engineering materials. Hardened steel. Necessary for abrasive filaments. Professional user. Tungsten carbide. Maximum durability and long-term performance. Pro tip: many people upgrade their printer before upgrading their nozzle. In reality, a quality nozzle upgrade often produces bigger improvements than expensive printer modifications, especially if you're still using a worn-out stock nozzle. Nozzles may be small, but they have a huge impact on print quality, print speed, material compatibility, and reliability. Choose the right nozzle for your application, and you'll unlock performance your printer already had hidden inside it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab.